Hi there, I'm Howard. This is just another video of me solving a numerical problem. So today we have spiral matrix 2, which is like the problem after spiral matrix. So given a positive integer n, generate an n by n matrix filled with elements from 1 to n squared in spiral order. Right. Okay, we have 4, sorry, we have 3. 3 squared is 9, so we have 9 numbers. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we can just like have a we need to keep track of the start and the beginning of our matrix, right? You have a star column index, right? And column index, right? And then a star row index, and then n row index, right? Okay, so we can iterate, from left to right. We can start out by from an empty matrix, right? N by n matrix, and we just keep adding the numbers, right? The number can start at as 1, but we can start out at 0 here, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, right? And you can fill out the number 1, right? 2, and then 3, right? So we have to go right, down, left, and then up, right? So we go right, right? And then after that, we need to, so this is the current length of the current size of our matrix, right? And then after we finish doing left, we need to shrink our matrix, right? By increment our row like that, right? So our matrix now is only this part, right? And now we have to go down, right? The second step is to go down. So we have 4, right? And then 5, okay? And then now we need to shrink our matrix again by setting the n column index to here, right? So now our matrix is only this part. Okay, now step 3 is to go left. So go left, so we have 6, right, and 7. Okay, so now we can shrink our matrix again by decrement the n row index. So now our matrix is only this part, right? And the last step, we have to go up. We have 8, right? Because our matrix n here, right? So we don't have to, we're not gonna go up to here. We stop at here, right? 8. So now we shrink our matrix again by incrementing our stack column index, right? So our matrix now is only this part, right? And then we keep repeating the pattern, right? So we are at step 4 now. We go up. Now we need to go left again, right? So this become 9, right? And then we need to increment our star column index again, right? Sorry, star row index. And the star row index I'm gonna point to here, right? So now it is side matrix, right? If at any point the star row index, right, overlap with the n row index, or the star column index like overlap with the n column index, which means we have finished, right? Or when the number is equal to n squared, right? But I just like to be specific here. So we need our matrix, right, equal to an empty matrix, n by n, so length of n, right? Array dot from length of n again, and we want to return our matrix at the end. Let's print it out to see if it is correct here. So we have 9 elements, right? They have undefined values. Okay. We need our star row index and row index. equal to 0, and then n minus 1, right? And then star column index, and then n column index equal to 0, n minus 1. We need our number starting out at 1. So y, true, right? We need to go left. So column, just start column index, column left, equal to n column index, plus matrix at so the row gonna be the first row, right? So start row index, and then the column equal to the number, right? And then we need to increment the number. Okay, so let's check it out. So yes, we have 1, 2, 3, right? We successfully is going left, right? So after that, we need to string our matrix. Remember, we need to increment our star row index. Because we already finished the first row, so we need to increment our star row index to get rid of the first row. Okay. And now we need to go to go down, right? The column gonna be the last column. Just the n column index. Okay, and after that, we need to increment our n column index. So we need to decrement our n column index to shrink out to get rid of the right column. So let's take a look. So 1, 2, 3. So 3, 4, and 5, right? So we successfully write out the right column, right? So next, we need to go to the left, right? Column minus minus because we're going backward. Okay, so what is the row? The row gonna be the last row, right? So n row next. And after that, we need to decrement our row, our n row index to get rid of the last row. So going left, right, is 5, 6, and 7, right? Which is correct here, right? Okay, so lastly, we need to go up, right? The column gonna be the first column. So start column index, equal to the number. And then we need to get rid of the first column, right? By incrementing our start column index. Okay, cool. So yeah, we get everything right except 9. So now we need to repeat the pattern, right? So remember we need to break like whenever whenever the number is greater than n square, right? Or when the star row index and the n row index overlap, or when the star column index and the n column index overlap, right? We just have to check for it. If the number is greater than n square, and just break. Uh, oh yes, we shouldn't have the break here. Okay, so accept it, and it worked. So thank you for watching. Oh, and by the way, it is constant spray, right? And the runtime is O n square because we need to iterate through n square tile cell, right? Because we have n square square, so we need to iterate through every single cell to assign the value. So thank you for watching.